Okay, peeps, here's Bo getting ready for bed, but first he wants to introduce his slime. Look how stretchy it is. I think it can stretch as tall as you. Stand up, Bo, right down here, and show it as it expands out like a snake. Oh, yeah.
It's bigger than me.
And let's get a close-up. This is slime. And the slime is just oozing down to the floor. Oh, looks like poop. What else can you do with this slime, Bo?
Do this.
Mm-hmm.
And a ball.
And a ball.
Get
Okay.
one of these.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, that's why they call it the noisy slime. Is that why they call it the noisy slime?
Noisy putty.
Noisy putty. That's why, peeps. Bo loves his noisy putty slime.
Noisy.
But you can't take a shower with it.
I can if I wanted to.
All right, what do you say?
Peace out.
Until next time, peace out.
Peace out.